Hey everyone! Welcome to this Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to create an awesome scene featuring a castle, a dragon, and some epic volcanic effects. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Trust me, it's going to be fun. So let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up the project. All right, here's the castle model I created in Blender and textured in Substance Painter. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's get this into Unreal Engine. 1. Open Unreal Engine and select Games. For this tutorial, we'll go with the third-person template. Easy choice. 2. Name your project Fire Dragon Castle. What else could we call it? 3. Once Unreal Engine opens, head over to File, New Level, pick Empty Level, and hit Create. See? We're already on fire. Step 2. Adding some light and landscape. Now, let's make this empty level a bit less empty. 1. Go to Window. Environment Light Mixer. This tool is a lifesaver. Just select all the lighting options in one go. 2. Hit Shift+2 to switch to Landscape mode and click Create. Boom! We've got a blank canvas ready to go. Step 3. Organizing your workspace. Let's keep things neat and tidy. 1. In the Content browser, right-click and create a folder named Castle 2. 2. Create another folder called Fire Dragon Castle and drag Castle 2 into it. Think of it like organizing your desk before you start a big project. 3. Now drag and drop the castle model into Unreal. No need to tweak any settings. Just click Import All. 4. Once it's imported, select all parts of the castle, drag them onto the landscape and press Ctrl+GTO group them. Trust me, this will make your life easier later. 5. Don't forget to save your level and name it Fire Dragon. You don't want to lose all this progress. Step 4. Scaling and texturing the castle. Time to make our castle look like it belongs in a fantasy world. 1. To check the scale, use Manny, the default Unreal mannequin. He's always ready to help. Adjust the castle size to match human proportions. 2. Now let's give it some color and texture. Drag and drop the Substance Painter textures. to adjust the directional light. Move your mouse until the light hits just right. It's all about the drama. 3. I'm using the Good Sky Pack for a night scene. Add some stars and tweak the lighting to create a spooky vibe. It's like a scene straight out of a fantasy movie. Step 8. Adding details. Details make all the difference. 1. Bend some rocks using the modeling mode. Select Deform, Lattice, and shape them to fit the scene. 2. Place volcanic rocks and add lava effects from the Elemental Pack. 3. For an extra touch, add some smoke effects and expand the landscape for a grander feel. Step 9. Enhancing the castle. Now let's make the castle even cooler. 1. Add a throne inside the castle and place a monster on it. Because, why not? 2. Create a fireball orb for the dragon. Use a sphere, apply some glowing materials, and animate it with a panner node. Looks epic, doesn't it? Step 10. Fire torches and final tweaks. 1. Download a torch model from Sketchfab. Place fire effects on top and position the torches along the castle pillars. 2. Add point lights around the torches and create a flickering effect for realism. 3. Use lava textures on a second castle's windows for a fiery look. The scene just keeps getting better. Conclusion. And there you have it. A complete fiery fantasy scene featuring a castle, a dragon, and volcanic effects. This was a lot of fun to create, and I hope you enjoyed following along. Here's the final render. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy creating!